Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy bonds on Etrade only way. First, sign in to your Trade account and confirm your identity using the verification steps listed on screen. Then fund your brokerage cash balance with a linked bank transfer so you have purchasing power. And finally, enable two-factor authentication before trading to protect your account and receive trade alerts and confirmations immediately. Start by navigating to the bonds section and use the filter panel to select type, maturity range, and credit rating so you can see only relevant issues. Next, sort results by yield or price to compare apples to apples, and click any bond to view its key details like coupon, call schedule, and liquidity. Finally, save interesting bonds to a watch list so you can monitor price moves and news before committing to buy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content like this. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs well with learning fixed income investing and can sharpen your long-term thinking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoyed this tip, give it a thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. When ready to buy, click Buy to open the order ticket and choose whether to enter quantity as face value or as number of bonds. Then select Market or Limit Order, and if using a limit, enter the maximum price you will pay. Next, review accrued interest, settlement date, and estimated commissions, confirm the total outlay on the confirmation screen, and submit your order while watching for execution notifications and trade confirmations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.